Where do all the tube station names come from? Today we're doing the Piccadilly line, and we will get to Cockfosters. But let's start in the west. Uxbridge is Wixon's Bridge. Hillingdon is Hilda's Hill. Ickenham is Ticker's Village. Ruislip is the jumping place with rushes. Ruislip Manor is the manor house near the jumping place with rushes. Eastcote is the Eastern Cottage, and Rayner's Lane is the lane to the Rayner family farm. South Harrow is south of the heathen temple. Sudbury Hill is the hill by the southern fort, and Sudbury Town is the town by the southern fort. Alperton is Albert's farm. Park Royal is nothing to do with the King's Park. It was the grounds for the Royal Agricultural Society's 1903 show. North Ealing is north of Giller's people. Ealing Common is the common land of Giller's people. Heathrow Terminal 5 is landing place number 5 for the airport by the row of houses on the heath. Heathrow Terminal 4 is landing place number 4 for the airport for the row of houses by the heath. And Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3 are landing places number 2 and 3 for the airport by the row of houses on the heath. Hatton Cross is the crossroads by the farm on the heath. Alright, we're in Hounslow. Hounslow West is west of the hill of a guy called the Hound. Hounslow Central is the town centre by Hounds Hill. Hounslow East is east of the Hounds Hill. Osterley is, we think, Sheep Barn in a glade. And Boston Manor is maybe Manor House at Bord's Farm. Fields is North Field. South Ealing, south of Giller's people. Acton Town, the town by Oak Tree Farm. Burnham Green, the green by the bend in the river. A smith, a blacksmith's with hammers. Baron's Court is a weird one. I can't find any baron who lived there or owned the land there. Best guess is that TfL called it that to match the next tube station. Earl's Court, the house of the Earl of Oxford. Gloucester Road, the road to the Duchess of Gloucester's house. South Kensington, south of Kinnesega's farm. Knightsbridge, Knightsbridge. Park Corner is a corner of Hyde Park, a hide being an old-fashioned measurement of area. Green Park is Green Park. Piccadilly Circus is a nice one. Lace Collar Junction. Leicester Square, the square of the Earl of Leicester. Covent Garden is Westminster Abbey's field. Holborn is a hollow brook. Russell Square is William Russell's square. King's Cross and St Pancras International is the international railway station by the Church of St Pancras and the crossroads with the monument to the King on it. Caledonian Road means the road to the Scottish orphanage. Holloway Road is maybe a road with a dip in it. Arsenal means the football team that used to work in the place we keep our guns. Finsbury Park is the park for the people of Finn's Manor House. Manor House is actually not named after a manor house directly. It's named after a pub that was built out of the timbers of an old manor house. Turnpike Lane means Tolbooth Road. Wood Green means a green near a wood. Downs Green means the green near the LeBounds family house. Honest Grove means the Arnold family's grove. Southgate means Southgate. Oakwood is actually not named after an oak wood. It's named after Oakwood Park, which is named after Oak Lodge, which presumably had an oak somewhere near it. And finally, Cockfosters. Nothing to do with chickens. It's as in Cock of the Walk, the chief forester. Thank you very much. What line would you like to see next? Stick it in the comments.